Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What I'm sharing here probably is very important to you. This is a bot that will help you search for free Udemy courses and updates hourly in Telegram. It will look for courses at this Udemy freebies and tutorial bar, which sorted out the free courses that are legit. And then after filtering the repeated courses, outdated one, then you share them on Telegram. You can find the source code here to learn how does it work. I will post the link in the description. I believe a lot of you are similar to me, does not have much money to spend on courses, but I hope this will really help you on improving yourself and one day we pay money for more advanced courses in the future. In the next video, I'm going to have a live sessions to test how legit are those courses. If you think this video might able to help any of your friends, please share to them and let them benefit from it.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Thanks.